Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious Navajo Fry Bread. Oh yeah, coming up next on the Food Plane. Welcome back, passengers of the Food Plane. Today I'm going to show you how to make Navajo Fry Bread. Let me know in the comments, have you ever had Navajo Fry Bread? Have you ever made Navajo Fry Bread? What did you add to the Navajo Fry Bread? What did you have with it? Let me know in the comments. In a bowl, you're going to add 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And then you're going to give that a good little mix. Then you're going to add 1 cup of hot water. Now this water needs to be 130 degrees Fahrenheit. This recipe is so easy. Look how simple it is. Now you're going to stir this up and make a dough out of it. And you're going to let it rest for like 10 minutes covered. It's so easy. Once you make this, I'm telling you, they are addictive. You can have them individually by themselves. You can put cheese on them. After 10 minutes, you're going to uncover it and you're going to make 5 balls out of this dough. 5 balls out of the dough. You're going to flour the surface and then you're going to roll them out into disc. If you are not a passenger of the Food Plane, what are you waiting for? All tickets are free on the Food Plane. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Navajo Fry Bread has a rich history rooted in Native American culture. It originated in the 1860s when the Navajo people were forcibly relocated by the United States government and given rations of flour, salt, sugar, and lard, which were unfamiliar ingredients to them. They improvised and created fry bread using these ingredients, turning them into a staple food. Over time, fry bread became not only a source of sustenance, but also a symbol of resilience and cultural identity for Native American communities across the United States. Today, it's often served at powwows, festivals, and family gatherings, and can be enjoyed plain or with various toppings like honey, powdered sugar, or as a base for savory dishes like Indian tacos. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I could use the encouragement. The Food Plane is filled with fun food fact videos and nice, delicious recipes just like this. Once you try these, I'm telling you people, you are going to love them, especially with different toppings. One of the things I've done with these is I basically use these as the base of a taco. I'll put the ground beef right on top of it with the cheese, the lettuce, the tomatoes, your sour cream, the whole works. Let me know in the comments, what would you do with the Navajo Fry Bread? Would you do honey? Would you do powdered sugar? What would you do? Let me know in the comments. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. I sincerely appreciate all the passengers of the Food Plane. And if you're not a passenger, become a passenger. Tickets are absolutely free. Just press subscribe. Please like and share. I could use the encouragement. Leave a comment. The algorithms love comments. Until next time, I'm D.S. Elias.